This mistake is the one that causes people to hit their stop loss more than any other. Here, someone sees that we're clearly in a downtrend and the market starts to retrace, so a lot of people do this. Without any further confirmation, they say, I think the market is retracing, I'll buy and catch the retracement. What happens then? They get stopped out, then the market starts to react again and they say, this time it's the right one, now it's really going to retrace. But no, because everyone treats trading like this, as if it were a bet. They go and buy now, and the market stops them out again. Guys, trading is about math and probability. It's statistical. We need to wait for more confirmations, which these give us. The probability is in our favor. You can't trade based on, in my opinion. For example, here it's the same. We're in a downtrend, right? High, lower, low, and that's clear here. But you shouldn't do what most people do, which is say, look, it's starting to retrace, it's starting to reject, so I'll go buy. Because I swear a lot of people get stopped out this way. And here you see that, bam, stop below the rejection. They take the first stop, then they try to buy again and take another stop. Let's wait for a bit more confirmation from the market, right? What do we see at this moment? You see, maybe someone tried to buy this rejection again and took another stop. Finally, here we see that the market did something very interesting, namely that the market was being controlled by these sellers. These sellers were the ones responsible for breaking the previous lows, so we were bearish from here. So what finally happens? The buyers have managed to break through, the dominance starts to turn bullish, so in this case we do have more probability, more confirmation to go for profit because the market is finally starting to show us that the buyers have the strength. So I can take the last sell candle before the buy, the one that changes the dominance for me. Here you can see that they made this high that's higher than the previous one, and I place a buy here with the stop loss below the rejection of the candle I've selected, and a take profit without overdoing it. Let's remember that we're in a bearish trend, so for example already here, basically 50% of this inefficiency coincides with the structure, which the market could still test and then continue the short, so let's not overdo it. Let's move forward, and I will explain all these concepts much more in detail one by one. Here I will provide a lot of training. I have already uploaded a video where I explain my strategy, how I operate in the market and how I behave. It's very useful. You can go check it out. And this, for example, is my Italian channel where by now there are already many of us. I have made hundreds of videos and I will also bring all of these to the English channel. And we can see here that the market reacts very well, and here, guys, it even hits our take profit, actually breaks through and goes up. But to be honest with you, I would have closed everything here because we are in a bearish trend. Let's remember that, and the market could then start again from these areas to go short, so let's not overdo it. Guys, this way we would have avoided unnecessary stop losses, and in fact, we could have made a profit like this. Leave a follow to stay updated with all the training that's coming, a like if you found the video helpful, and a comment to let me know what you think.